going to take the road less traveled to Hoover Dam, following these power lines, these lines of power. Head on down. Hoover Dam's right over that way. Take the scenic route. A little more something to see out this way. Let's head on down to where we can get up on top of one of these hills. We'll take another look out that way. Let's go. Lake Mead. Looks like the pipes are in the water. If there are any pipes. I don't think there's any pipes going down anymore on that intake. They took out the pumps down at the bottom. They're tubes. Old cement plant or gravel plant. Water tank for a gravel plant. Okay, we got to get all the way down to the bottom down there. Let's give it our go.
You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. I didn't have no pharaoh, not even no place to go. And my dear mother left me when I was quite young, when I was quite young. And my dear mother left me when I was quite young, when I was quite young. She said, Lord, have mercy on my wicked son.
Continuing down the road. There's the freeway. I saw some of this mineralization right here. It's black. Probably a manganese oxide. See that right through there? Get my son out of it. See that right there? What's that stuff? Is it magnetite or gypsum or quartz and magnetite? Boy. See, there's the hematite red, and then it comes into this vein across here. Back into the hematite. And that looks to be quartz there in the middle. Okay, so I got my magnet out here. Nothing there. Anything here? Nothing. Yeah, I'm going to say this is manganese oxide. Manganese oxide with quartz. Boy, it sure is sparkly. Probably mine that for manganese. Okay. Onward. I just saw this cave up here. I don't know, it's kind of bare for Indians out here. There's not a lot. They'd be down by the river. They wouldn't be up here unless they're hunting for bighorns. Let's get going.
Down the road I'm going, but I ain't going down that long old lonesome road all by myself. But I ain't going down that long old.
There's the freeway. And we'll be going down. We have to come back out right there. If you come off the freeway or the old highway, you come right over to that turnaround, and then right there's the parking for the Gold Strike Hot Springs. Right down in there. That's where we're going to come out on this road. Let's go.
Old lonesome road all by myself. I can't carry you, babe. I'm gonna carry somebody else.
Well, we got to get back down and around. I just thought I'd come up here and see where we could go. That probably goes down to the Gold Strike Hot Springs too. You could come over here and walk down. But let's try to get over to there. I think we'll go down farther and then come back up. We can hike up over to there and see what's down over that way. Let's go over here. Out that all these brown looking, reddish brown, are dacites. I don't know, 13 million years ago, Patsy Cline dacites, and they have come over the Boulder City Pluton. All that way back up there is the grayish Boulder City Pluton. This is all lava flows, 1,000 feet of lava flows. And here we're back into the Pluton where this flow came right over the Pluton right here. And that's what the Pluton looks like. It's got some blue in it. It's kind of blue. Okay, up above. Drove to here. Don't get electrocuted. Yeah, let's get down there. I think we can get down to there and then we'll try to get back up to those power line poles. we'll be able to look down the other side towards Hoover Dam more. Okay, let's get down there.
I can't carry you, babe. I'm gonna carry somebody else.
Here we go on around. We're going to go on around and right back down to there and on out. I think this is as close as we're going to get to those towers up there. There's a tower right there I can see. So let's climb up there, see what's up there. Getting up here. Oh, there's another towers. Holy smokes. And nobody's gonna make it up that. I could barely walk up. Get out of the wind here. That. Oh, it's an old framing. How they got there. I doubt there's a road to that one like there is this one. Looks like they had a framing there to hoist everything up from below. Yikes. Yeah, we'd have to climb from all the way at the bottom if we wanted to get to those towers. So let's see what we can see going this way. That's Arizona, Wilson Peak. Any repeaters up there? Pluton, Wilson Ridge, Pluton. Get up there. Getting steep. I thought I saw a goat trail. Let's take this goat trail at least over to there. See if it's worth going up there if we're trying to get out there. Getting up here. I guess the goat trail just kind of goes along. It wouldn't have mattered which way you went. Oh yeah, there's a goat trail. If you're a goat, I don't know. I think I better just go straight up and then walk along the ridge. Maybe take that goat trail there over by those caves and then around to that one. Maybe. Okay, let's get up to the top and at least get to there. Yeah, we were at those last two towers back there. Up there, way up there. Yeah, there's some more rigging down there. They had something to lift stuff up here. Yeah, there's a road from right there to there. Oh, there's like meat. Muddy mountains. Okay. I guess if you wanted to get to that last one, you would take that goat trail from where I was, down by those caves, at least up to there. Then you can see over the edge. You can almost see, I don't think you're gonna see Hoover Dam though. What do we got here? That's freeway over by Kingman Wash Road there. And that's Sugarloaf. Can you see the bridge? It cuts right next to Sugarloaf, right through there somewhere. I don't know. I guess that's Sugarloaf. Yeah. That lightning tower, that's lightning protection up there. Cell towers now. There used to be cables from these real tallest towers to keep lightning out of the switchyard down there. From throwing the breakers and everybody going offline. Fortification. Lake Mead. I guess that's probably it. Someday I'll have to take that trail. See what's over there. Not today. Anything else? Boy, that's some cliffs. Lava. Hundreds of feet of lava on top of those. In the background peaks are the Quartz Monzonites. Dacites. Probably, I don't know. Could be Quartz Monzonites, the gray right through here. Quartz Monzonites. Then the lavas. Then there's a water table where it turns into hematite. It's just a flat line through all these rocks. You can't really tell where it is. Okay. Let's see if we can get out of here. If I can. Oh, what's left of it? Dang. Probably when they built this tower. Some old bean can, I guess. Ah, Corona. Yeah, that's from when they built the dam, Corona. Premier. Okay, let's try to get out of here without breaking something. This was no easy coming up. We're getting there, round and down and back. Oh, there's our road down here, and then we'll be coming. Look at this, they got a strobe light. Doesn't really show up on camera, but there's a strobe light right there. It's a beacon for all the lost hikers. You'd think you could follow a wash, but they'll get lost. So I don't know how you get lost in this.
Forward or backward?
Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's get out of here.